Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to show you this beautiful house which is on sale. It is located in Gasabo district in a place called Gasogi, nearby K.M.E's neighborhood, mwijuru gasogi. So guys, this is the gate. I'm entering the compound. It is a very big house which is built on a big plots of land. It contains 3 plots in one. This is the house, as you can see it. And it is not only that, it have another small houses like ghettos or boys quarters. It have 9 rooms. This is the first one. There is another one here. All this line, it is all the houses you can rent if you buy this house. It is a very beautiful neighborhood, and it is very interesting because this has like very nice future. When you see it, it has a good breeze, like air. The road, it is good. They are about to pave all the road from the concrete road to where the house is. This is the outside toilet and the bathroom. This is it. And this is the ghettos. As you see it, it is a very nice. My God, you need to visit this house. See, very big one. This is the outside, and on the upside side, I'm going to show you the back side of the house. This is like a security house where you can put, like your guard can stay, and outside storage. As you see it, the current user is using it as a storage of charcoals. You can see it. This is what the current user is using it for now. Here you can cultivate veggies or fruits or something. And this is the hallway which goes to the back side of the house. This is it. As I told you, the plot is very big. It is very big. Sugar cane. You can plant it if you want, or you can remove it. This is the dam which holds the rainwater. And there is another outside toilet here on this side. You can see it, and there is very nice neighbors here. And this is toilet and bathroom at the same time. You can see it for outside, and this is the view from the back of the house. See, and also you can see the outside kitchen. This is the outside kitchen. This is where you can plant something you would like for your choice. As I told you, you can do like veggies. Most likely that is what they do, or fruits. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the house I have for you right now. If you want more information, please contact 0788987014, and that is K.M.E multi-service company, which helps you to find a beautiful location you can stay. Call us when you want to rent, to buy, or to sell any kind of property. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful moment. Thanks.